In a library that flourished one time, a community that went there past their bedtime. The building was vibrant and a beauty to behold. A warm, cozy location to stay when the weather was cold. A place filled with prodigies that were young in age. They read books all day in here because it was an escape from a world that was conflicted with problems. Obviously, it was the only place for refugees from hardship. Some people come here as a distraction from their lives and get taught advice that would help them through hard times, while others come to receive more wisdom and apply to their lives, like some money in a case, and they will listen to any criticism. But now, this library is a barren place, a beauty to behold, but with no one to awe and apprenticeship.